Welcome to our latest tour. Today we are on Lawley Street in Waterkloof. This is Pretoria Old East. This is the leafiest suburb of Pretoria, and we are going to tour a majestic, absolutely gorgeous ambassadorial style house that has been fully renovated to perfection. It is a massive home. It is fit for an embassy, it's fit for a king, it's fit for any large family as well. The house is also on 3 levels, so it is absolutely magnificent. So whilst we're going up the stairs, which is basically the entrance or your guests will use, I want to highlight we are completely covered, so we are completely safe from the elements. And already from here you'll see they're using very dramatic handcrafted, custom-made glass frames, again to protect you from the elements, and they're introducing beautiful light fixtures just to bring that drama into the space.